Hello and welcome. You're watching The Health Site and I am Sakshi. We've often heard that it is important to apply a night cream before sleeping, before going to bed. But why is it important to apply a night cream? What are the uses? What are the benefits of a night cream? And how to apply a night cream? And how to choose a right night cream for yourself? All of these things we've got it covered for you in this video. First, let's talk about the benefits of night cream. Night cream supplies moisture to the dry parts of your face, therefore your face is kept hydrated. It soothes your face. It also ensures that your skin has an even complexion along with having a finer skin texture. Your night cream boosts collagen in your skin. The cream also helps in better blood circulation. The wrinkles and the other lines on your face get reduced. One major role that the night cream plays is that it prevents your skin from sagging. It makes your skin soft and supple. Your aging skin may not look old anymore. It helps your skin to restore its elasticity. Selecting the right night cream that suits your skin tone is very crucial. When choosing a night cream for yourself, ensure that the cream is not too thick. A thick night cream clogs your skin pores. It becomes difficult for your skin to breathe. Whenever you choose a night cream, ensure it is fragrance-free and is also hypoallergenic. It is vital that you have some understanding of what goes into the making of a night cream. Vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, jojoba oil, olive oil, apricot oil, rose oil, aloe vera, honey, shea butter and jasmine. And of course it has a lot of anti-aging components. Wash your face before you apply your night cream. Collect a dime-size amount of the cream, dab it onto your face. Follow an upward circular direction to massage the cream onto your skin. Do not apply the night cream on your eyelids. If you have found this video useful, do share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to log into our website, which is known as The Health Site.